Now children see, yesterday I told you, the hungry beast within growls because he is hungry. He is feeling, means is there any beast with that girl? But no, she is supposing like that. She is supposing that beast is there and he is very hungry. Now see, the hungry beast within growl because he is hungry, I told you yesterday, and he wants food because he is hungry. If you are hungry, you will require food. If I am hungry, not angry, hungry. If I am hungry, I will require food. He can be quite demanding sometimes, like he is right at this moment. Now he is very correct. He is demanding something. Why? Because Sonika saw noodles. Yesterday you might have heard at home, no? You got it in the evening? So you understood everything? So that Sonika saw what? Noodles. How the noodles were? They were oily. They were chili. Soya sauce was put in that. Very sweet. And it was tempting her. Tempting means you know? You don't know tempting?
Yes.
What?
Tempting means an addiction towards
Addiction towards it. You understood? This chalk is there. You are not getting anywhere. You will always, it will tempt you. I will take this chalk. I will take this chalk. Understand everybody? Now, I can no longer concentrate on what ma'am is teaching. I do try, believe me. I looked at her for a while and began to doodle on the textbook's cover. To my horror, all I can draw is food. Lots of different types of food. My mouth begins to water. Doodle means what? Draw absent-minded. Means your mind goes somewhere else. Your mind goes somewhere else. Now what has happened? She is saying, when I saw Sonika's box, tiffin box, which was filled with noodles, I could not control myself. My mind was absent towards the teaching of the teacher. My mind went somewhere else. And my concentration was completely on the noodles. Which noodles? Which the who had brought? Sonika's friend. So now she was only turning her hand on the maths textbook cover. She was not paying attention towards what madam is teaching. Because she says that the beast within me was troubling me. You eat that, you eat that. But is it possible to eat in the class? No. When the teacher is teaching. If the teacher is not there, actually you cannot eat in the class when the teacher is there, when the teacher is not there. That is why the recess has been given. Correct? Now because of Karuna we are not giving recess. Otherwise recess is given what? So that you should eat that time. And you should not eat in the class or disturb the teacher or disturb the other children. But this girl, she says, I would not left back without eating that noodles. Are you all doing this? So what happened? Look, thinking that what the teacher is teaching, she was completely absent-minded. She could not see the teacher. She could not see the maths on the board. She was only in her mind was the box, tiffin box of noodles. She should eat it. And what has happened? She thought of that box, thought of that noodles, and her mouth started watering. Watering means what? Like tap ka water comes like that, water comes from the mouth. You open the tap and the water comes like that, the mouth. No. Some nice sweet is there. Now I brought Kala Gulab Jamun. I am having 4 in my hand. I am not eating, but I am eating. I am not giving you. You are sitting there. So behind the scarf, what will come? Like this. You will do like this. My stomach will pain. when you see some delicious eatable, a delicious thing to eat, automatically your mouth waters. Mouth waters means that water does not come like tap water. Huh? Saliva, you know, no saliva you have learned in science, no? Huh? They spit. That water comes on your lips. Or the water falls like water from the tap? No. So her mouth started watering. You are getting it what I am teaching?
Yes.
How about tasting what is being offered? The beast asked. Now see, the beast is not asking. Sonika is asking to herself. What Sonika is asking? How about tasting what is being offered? If her friend offers her that noodle ka tiffin, what about tasting? How nice taste it will be. How I will eat. Is she paying attention to the maths class? No, she is totally behind the tiffin box of a noodle. I try to reason with the beast. I try to reason with the beast means I try to ask question with the beast. She is supposing, she is presuming, she is thinking, वो सोच रही है, what, that it is not her mistake. It is all the mistake of the beast, that jungly जानवर which is in her stomach. Your parents sometimes say ना सैतान आहे का पोटामध्ये, आत्ता खाल्लं परत बसली खायला. Correct? I can't eat in the middle of the class. She has already caught me daydreaming. Now she is saying to herself, I cannot open Kim Lee, no? Kim Lee had brought the tiffin, no?
Yes.
I cannot take the tiffin of Kim Lee. Because why she couldn't take? Because the tiffin was little open and shown to Sonika. So slowly she could have picked up and put into her mouth, no? But why she was not able to do? Because see, now I am teaching here, I can see that last girl, I can see that boy. Sajed, no? Yes. See, I can see him, I can see Atharva. Can Atharva eat slowly one laddu from his pocket? He'll get one chata there now. Correct? She is saying she cannot put her hand in the tiffin and eat because already the teacher before has caught her. Has caught her in what? Daydreaming, eating, daydreaming. Daydreaming means you know what? You dream at night, na? सपना गिरता है ना, भूत आया तुम्हारा गला पकड़ा तुमको उठा के लेके जा रहा है, हाँ? Then you shout in the sleep. Do anybody get dream in the daytime? Now I am teaching you, and this fellow, Borad, will he say, sir, मेरे को भूत दिख रहा है उधर? Will he say like that? Will he say, sir, कोई तो भी मेरे को उठा के आसमान में लेके जा रहा है? But he will say in the night. When in the night? 8 o'clock?
No.
9 o'clock?
No.
After you eat your food and you are sleeping. Yes. And you sometime loudly you shout and you get up. Your father and mother is watching a TV. You are in one bedroom or you are in one hall, somewhere in the room in your house. And you loudly shout, you are sleeping time but your mother and father is watching TV. They wanted to see one movie. And you are sleeping alone. And you badly shout. Then who runs? Your father, mother runs to see what has happened. So what do you say? I had a dream. Excuse me. I had a dream. And in that dream you get frightened. You are sweating. Your mother will clean you with a cloth. Then she will ask you what has happened. But this girl, in the Sonika, she was dreaming in the daytime also. What she was dreaming is she was dreaming that she is frightened, she is getting scared, she can see some devil, she can see big elephant. No, she was only daydreaming about the food, not noodles but food, something to eat. Something to eat. But the beast is determined. Determined means what? To make one's mind, to make your mind fix. I will study, I will get 79 out of 80. To do determination, to determine, ठरवणे. What the Sonika is saying? But the beast has determined. She is not looking just one bite at all. What she is saying? The beast within me is telling, your teacher is teaching. She is not looking at you. This who is supposing? Sonika is supposing. So Sonika समझ रही है ऐसा. Sonika बता रही है कि the beast in her is telling her कि that your teacher. Now say I am looking here, I am not able to look here for 2 minutes. Then again I will look here, I cannot be able to look here. So the beast is saying, your teacher is busy teaching. What you do? Put your hand in the tiffin और फट से मुंह में डाल के. हाँ? No, I can't. Beast is saying, Sonika is saying, the beast is telling me, please pick up something from a tiffin. Okay? And you put in your mouth, the teacher will not see. But what she says, tells to the beast, no, I can't. You know, you want to eat. She's saying, yeah, you know you want to eat, but I can't. You are hungry. The beast is hungry. And he wants to eat. But can Sonika eat? Why? Because the teacher is teaching and observing the student also. You can do anything you want and you want to eat, but you can do anything in the class. The beast is she is saying, Sonika the beast is saying, class में कुछ भी कर सकती है. You can look here, you can look there. You are talking slowly to the other child. You can do anything. But can you not eat? Why can't you eat? Actually, who wants to eat? Beast. Beast wants to eat? No, Sonika wants to eat. The noodles or any eating thing is tempting whom? Sonika. But Sonika is putting blame on the beast. Because what happened? You both are talking. Then the teacher shout or I shout at you. Will you say that we both were talking? No. What you all say? She was talking, he was talking, he pushed me, she pushed me. So same way Sonika is putting blame on whom? Beast. Yes, I mean no. She's telling the beast, yes, I mean no. I cannot eat the tiffin. Because why? The teacher has caught her once, and again if she is caught, the teacher has told that I will put you in front of the principal's office. She has got lot of interest. She will finish up the full tiffin also, Sonika. But can she do that? Why? Because the teacher is in front of her and the teacher has already warned her. You know what is the meaning of warning? Chetavni dena. Stop tempting me. She's telling whom? She's supposing everything in her mind. सोच रही है. That means she's daydreaming. I am teaching here. And Shubhra is dreaming there. माझ्या आईने आज पुरणपोळ्या केल्या. मी आता 12ला गेले. आम्ही सांगून आले चिकन पण फ्राय करून ठेव चांगलं. Correct? It's like that, no? Your body, your appearance is towards me. But there is something going in your mind. You are thinking something. All you are thinking of your home. That is known as a daydreaming. Understood? You know what is the meaning of tempting? I told you, no? What is the meaning of tempting? Addiction. Means to antic. आकर्षित करने. And to antic. आकर्षित करने. Anything is there that attracts you, tempting you to take it. If you are not allowed to take also, but it is very nice. You are not robbing. You don't have habit of robbing. चोरने की आदत नहीं है. But there is a very, very nice pen one child has brought which is costing 150 rupees. He has showed. What happens? What tempts you, the boys, other boys? He has got 150 rupees ka pen. When everybody goes out, his temptation, his accusation is added towards the pen, takes him there, the boy slowly robs and keeps in his pocket. The boy who has brought the pen will come and tell the principal, they will come and tell the teacher that my pen has lost from the class my father bought yesterday, it was costing 150 rupees. So you got the meaning of tempting now? Yes. Tempting to get attracted towards, to get addicted, akarshit towards one thing. You can't lie me. Just look at them oozing with the chili oil. What the beast is saying, what Ozika is thinking in her mind, that the beast is saying, you can't lie me, tu jhoot nahi bol sakti. You look there, just look at them oozing with chili oil. Oozing means what? Oozing means leaking. डब्बा है ना, डब्बे में से देखो कैसा तेल गिर रहा है. Oozing means leaking. Just look at them oozing with chili oil. उधर देखो. The beast, Sonika is saying, the beast is telling me, look there, the noodles are floating and the oil is leaking from the tiffin box. That's delicious vinegar. That's delicious vinegar. You say no, अरे काय बनवलं होतं माझ्या मम्मीने काल रात्री असं बोटं चाटून खाल्ली. आणि अजून मला आता पण आठवण येऊ राहिली. घरी असले तर आता मी 12 वाजता जाऊन खाईल. Understand? Just one bite. Just one bite. What Sonika is thinking? Just one bite. 2-3 noodles. But can she? And you cannot rob and eat noodles because they are long, it will be here, it will go into your nose, it will go somewhere. Correct? If peda is there, one laddu is there, one biscuit is there, you can slowly pick up and put in your mouth. But noodles, 3-4 noodles, it will go here, one here, one in your mouth. They may fall on your body. Can you eat noodle robbing? No. The beast had won. Now see, the beast had won. What has happened, we will see. The beast and Atharva sit like this properly. The beast has won now. Sonika is saying the beast has won. How? We will see. I reached into the tiffin box and I helped myself to a handful. Slowly, Sonika reached. The beast has won. How? Sonika has reached near the tiffin and slowly she took handful. I stealthily put my head down on the desk. I stuffed my mouth with lip-smacking noodles. Trust the Chinese to make the best noodles in the world. I must request Dad to take us to Beijing restaurant in Tangra tonight itself. At last, she could not control. She could not control. Go ask, go and tell Sapra and watch on the bell. Come soon. Now what happened? See, at last the beast won. Which is there any beast? कुछ बैल बैठा था उसका पेट में, हाथी था, कुत्ता था? No, nobody was there. She was just presuming, she was just supposing. And now what she is saying, teacher is teaching, but her intention was that I will eat that noodle. Now how the beast has won, what you understand by this meaning? How the beast has won? Now slowly she saw the teacher is busy teaching. So what she says, I reached into the tiffin box and helped myself to handful. I went slowly to Kim Lee's tiffin and handful of noodles I picked up. I stealthily means robbingly put my head down behind the no, not book, desk. Now you understand, no, your desk is this. Just now just now Shubhra was doing. How? Show me Shubhra. Yeah, like that, correct. She slowly put her head down on the desk. On the desk she has put like that. She might be putting her desk like that. slowly rubbed the noodles and she ate. Stuffed my mouth with lips, smacking noodles. होठ चाटने जैसे noodles थे. She put it and she started licking her mouth, smacking noodles, taking the taste of the noodles. Trust, bharosa karo, the Chinese to make the best noodles in the world. Who will make the best noodles in the world? Chinese. We also make at home, but the Chinese people are specialized in that. Okay. I must request Dad to take us to the Beijing restaurant in Tangra tonight itself. You also request your father, no? You request your mother. There is a new hotel here, Hong Kong hotel. Then some hotel. Many names are there, no? Sri Leela Hotel. Then Visava. So there are different types of hotels. You also request your parents. Correct? You may be not eating non-veg Chinese, but there are vegetarian Chinese also. Isn't it? There are different names. Then you take the spoon, that thing comes in front of you on the table. Like this you do, like that you do, you make nakra and you eat. Correct? So Sonika also saying, this girl has brought, Kim Lee has brought these noodles. They are so tasty. So I will tell my parent, I will tell my dad to take that name I told you, which restaurant? There tonight. Chop, smacks, she ate like that. That means that is a noise that she was eating. Teacher was not listening, but a neighbor, somebody might be hearing it. Sonika, what are you doing there hiding behind the desktop? Again the teacher caught. Sonika, what are you doing there? I caught you there on the table. Something you are doing there. My eyes widen. Eyes widen means what? Aankh khul gaye. Why? When see now this boy is pulling the bench, I'll say, what are you doing there? So what will happen? He'll laugh, he'll happy. His eyes will become big, he'll get frightened. Sir, he's shouting at me. Correct? So when the teacher asked Sonika, what are you doing on the desk table there? I can see something, you are doing something. So her eyes widened. The eyes got big. She stared at the teacher. I start to chew faster and faster. The teacher was there, she started eating faster and faster. Trying to swallow some of these long noodles, why they are so long. Now Sonika only saying these noodles are so long, I cannot swallow it. The teacher is asking me, what are you doing? And when there is something in your mouth, one laddu, one chocolate, two chocolates or some noodles or some eatable in your mouth, can you talk properly with your teacher? No. She walks up to my desk. The teacher has come to her desk. Her face was frozen. Whose face was frozen? Frozen means what? You know, you keep something in the fridge, it gets frozen. The teacher's face got frozen as if it was kept in the fridge. Suj gaya teacher ka muh phuk gaya. Suja ne phuk gaya. Because she has scolded Sonika first. And again she is doing the same thing. Her face was frozen. Look, चेहरे का भाव कैसा था? As if it is frozen. Her eyebrows almost vanished into her hairline. Now this eyebrows directly went into the hair, like straight. It became straight. When somebody is angry, you saw the eyebrows, face, hair, how it becomes. Her eyes were blazing. She looks at me as if she would eat me up. Sonika, she said. And how the teacher was looking, Sonika is saying, you know, her eyebrows went up, the hair became straight, she was angry, her face was frozen, and she says, she was looking at me as if she is going to eat me up. Yes, W-E-S-H means Y-E-S, yes. Please have now. What the teacher is saying? Please have now. Why are you not having that noodles? The rest is relevant. The rest is relevant. Pointless, I was sent out of class. The rest is irrelevant. Everything was wrong. I was sent out of the class. Who was sent out of the class? The teacher? No, teacher was not sent out. The teacher was not sent out by the student, but Sonika was being thrown out. I was never forgiven for what? For that. And the teacher did not excuse the child. As she told, next time I will throw you out, I will send you to the principal's office. She did it. My teacher now makes me sit right under her nose, the front desk in the middle row. Now see, now the teacher is, after that punishment, the teacher put the child in front of her nose, means she made that child to sit on her nose? No, where the teacher is standing, just in front of her, so she will not even move a bit. In front of below the nose means just the teacher is standing near the first desk and the child is being put in front of below her nose. She looks at me every now and then to check on me. Now when I know, Atharva is mischievous. So I will forget other children, but I will always keep an eye on Atharva. So no more daydreaming or thinking about home or anything other than the lesson, or so I shout. If I shout also anything, if I think also, मैंने सोचा भी नूडल्स के बारे में सोचेंगे, केक के बारे में सोचेंगे, कुछ खाने के बारे में सोचेंगे, कुछ नहीं. Everything was stopped. Daydreaming was stopped. Thinking about home was stopped. Why? The teacher was on my head. Means I am sitting on your head? No, I am in front of you. I am near you. You cannot move because of me. Few days later, it was around 10 in the morning when, so you have pasta in your tiffin box today? So I answer, allow me to take over, please. You want to eat it and you want to eat now. The teacher is busy writing on the blackboard. And one day what happened? She brought pasta in a tiffin. And now she is again thinking, can I eat this pasta? And she was ready to take that pasta. Why? Because the teacher is writing on the blackboard. When I am writing on the blackboard, I am facing to the blackboard. I have got two eyes on my head behind. I don't know what are you doing. So the teacher is writing on the board and she brought the pasta and she ate it. The teacher is busy writing now at the blackboard. Her back will turn for quite some time. Now's the time. No, you know. And that began all over again, thanks to the beast within. Now you understand all this point? She thought the teacher is writing, I can eat, but she was not able to eat because she knew that while writing the teacher may turn all of a sudden and I will be thrown out again. She was not able to eat again, she was not able to daydream again, she was not able to think of anything she can eat in the class as she was put in the front of the teacher. Thank you.